Sometimes on Threads, before posting any ghost post, you might have saved it to the draft section. And later, if you want to edit that draft, you can do it easily. In this video, we'll show you how to edit any ghost post in the draft section on Threads. For this, open the Threads app. After opening it, here you can see your profile photo. Just tap on your profile photo. When you tap on it, you'll see your profile at the top. Next to that, you'll see a plus button. Or if you've already saved a ghost post, you can see it here. Anyway, I'm tapping on this plus button. When you tap on it, you'll see a button like this. This is the drafts button. Just tap on it. When you tap on that, here you'll see all your ghost posts in the draft. And if you want to edit any ghost post, simply tap on it. When you tap on it, you'll see the option to edit. If you wanted to delete the old text and type something new, you can do that. Anyway, from here, if you want to directly post this as a ghost post, just tap on post. Or again, if you want to save it back to draft, tap on this button and you'll see the update option. Tap on update. When you tap on that, the post will be updated and it will stay in draft only. It won't be posted. So this way, you can easily edit any ghost post in the draft section on Threads. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.